Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at a diving waterproof case. This is the second generation from ShellBox case. So this one will be waterproof up to 15 meters when you dive, and it has a large photography window. So that will be you diving and exploring the oceans. So this is where you can see the compatibility with phones. It's also compatible with Galaxy S23 Ultra, which is a big phone, and is also with iPhone 15 Pro Max. So let's dive in and see what's inside. So these are instructions. I need to review that, but for now let's just have a quick look, see what we have in here. That's quite a big device case. It also has a trigger in here, and I guess this is for releasing air. Maybe we really need to look into this because I don't have a clue. That's the window where your camera will be. You hold it like that, like a proper camera, and you look through this. And this one you can also use it, it works with your phone, so you can control your phone with it. It also has a nice strap, manual, a cleaning tool. There's a few things in there which I can't reach. There's one more thing in there. Okay, so let's dive in. Here you have some tips, and they also say Huawei Mate 30 Pro is not compatible with this case. Nice cleaning cloth, really nice to have one of these. That's a gift. And we have the quick start guide. They also give you one of these tools. I guess this is to open, and this one if you wanna for extra protection. But let me have a look how you do this, because I've never had one and I don't know. So yeah, instructions, they seem to be good. So yeah, I'll just quickly do it and I'll show you in a second. Hi guys, so let me explain you. It's actually not that hard, but it took me a bit of time to understand. So as you can see, this moves, yeah, up and down, so you can adjust that based on how tall is your phone. Yeah, you need to make sure you put this button, the power button, up, so you will match this one, and this one you can actually move it around. You can slide it upside down. You see here it's a bit up, and then what you do, this one you have to unlock it. No, sorry, this one is stable, the one with the button, so it will match the shutter. And this one you just leave it unlocked. Yeah, so by unlocking it you just press this like that. You see there's a padlock in there symbol, and then you drag it all the way up and you lock it like that. Yeah, so you want to have this one unlocked. So now you slide your phone like this, slide it down and in position. Yeah, and now you have that button operating from there. You adjust from there, make sure it's stable, then you put this cover. Don't know if that was for there, but couldn't find a use for that. So now you have to lock all this in position. Obviously you will remove this. I didn't yet because I'm not ready to use it. And then all this should be sealed. Yeah, even has a tripod mount, and this is to release pressure or anything that builds up inside. But make sure it's on when you're ready to dive. Yeah, it has a rubber sealant. So now let's say you turn on your phone. As you can see, this works as well. So your touch will work, especially when you're gonna remove that. It will work even better. Yeah. So let's say you're inside the camera and you just want to take a photo while diving. Probably I haven't activated to shut down to take a photo from the power button. Let me just have a look in that. And unless it's double tap, no. Let me check that. Yeah, guys, I don't know if Apple has this this option so you could take a photo. Doesn't really has, but there's your camera lenses on the back, and yeah, it works really well. So thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it.